Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare pre-workout and creatine. Pre-workout supplements are designed to boost your energy, focus, and endurance during exercise. They typically contain ingredients like caffeine, beta-alanine, and nitric oxide boosters. You usually take pre-workout about 15 to 30 minutes before your training session. This helps you feel more alert and powerful, allowing for a more intense and productive workout. It's a great option for those days when you need an extra push to perform your best. Now let's talk about creatine. Creatine is a naturally occurring compound found in muscle cells. It helps your muscles produce energy during heavy lifting or high-intensity exercise. Supplementing with creatine can lead to increased strength, power output, and muscle mass over time. Unlike pre-workout, creatine is not a stimulant. Its effects build up gradually. You typically take 3 to 5 grams daily, regardless of your workout schedule, to saturate your muscle stores. The main difference lies in their function and timing. Pre-workout provides an immediate boost for a single training session, focusing on energy and focus. Creatine, on the other hand, works by increasing your muscle's capacity for energy production over time, leading to sustained gains in strength and muscle size. Pre-workout often contains stimulants like caffeine, while creatine is non-stimulant. Think of pre-workout as a quick energy shot, and creatine as a long-term muscle builder. So, when should you use each? Use pre-workout when you need an immediate energy surge and enhanced focus for your training session. Creatine can be taken daily, at any time, to consistently support muscle strength and growth. You can even combine them, taking pre-workout before your workout and creatine daily. Remember to always follow dosage instructions for both. Also, for those looking to make meal prep easier, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.